I do have a return today. I'm so freaking dumb, dude. I'm so dumb. And I have a pretty crazy pickup. We're starting here at the Northridge Mall. All right, hopefully they could hook me up with an exchange real quick. All right, they're working on the exchange for me. We do still get 25% off everything with a blue tag, everything on sale, an additional 25% off. That is why I have been a big fan of Chic lately. These some new Jordan 1 lows, some canvas ones that came out. Kind of like a bluish color and has a like worn metallic look, kind of interesting, like rust look. 135. These are not the OGs, but red toe go for 90. Chicago OGs right here, they still got some of these for 145. These the biotech lows right here. Do get that extra 25 off. If you don't mind the Jordan 4 RM, people said that these kind of look like the Jordan 4 lows. I don't really see it, to be honest. I don't see that, but $60 after the extra discount. Some of the prices been lower than the outlets. Look at this. This comes out to what, $37.50 or something like that. These are the flight courts right here, but yeah, $37.50 for Jordan brand shoes. The Trunners, I feel like these haven't even been out that long, but yeah, $80 for these. I'll say these look like the Kwai 54 colorway right here, but yeah, $80 extra discount. Luka 77s, even the white cements down to $75. These are the Jordan 4 RMs, and then infrared colorway right here. Infrared colorway of the MVPs, infrared 6s, right? They're coming out, but they're not the same, right? They're not the same. They're calling it the salesman or something. There's a lot more red on it. I was showing someone today at work. I was like, they're not the same, fool. Someone put a wrapper in there? That's kind of gross. All right, they did hook me up with the even exchange. I'm so stupid, dude. I'm so dumb. I can't believe I got the wrong size. And we're back in the men's. They're starting to sell a lot of the Vomeros. They had way more here last time. But the prices are freaking low, dude. Look at this. 75 for that one. This one's under $60, right? Holy cow. They got a couple more right there. 85, 120, 100. Remember, an additional 20. I can't see. Oh, see, this one's down to $60. I don't like that age midsole, but $60, that is crazy cheap. If you like Air Max, the youngins aren't liking the Air Max, so you can get some with like interesting materials and stuff for hella cheap, $60 after the savings. Got the shocks. These are the R4s, right? The R4 shocks right here. These are down to $60 as well. That is such a classic. I love that one. And they got these dunks right here, corduroy material. These are regular price at $130, but at least the quality seems to be getting better for the regular dunks. And you can even find stuff like this on sale right here. These wheat bad boys with the round laces. I'm not a big fan of the round laces, but $90, fan of that price. And if you want some of these classic ones, which I'm not a big fan of, $100, so $75. After the savings, they do have a bunch of Forces right here. Got the regular men's Air Force right there at a regular price. I just grabbed the women's for hella cheap. I don't know, it's like $60, something like that. They got multiple Kobe's here. I think these are available almost everywhere. These have been calling my name. I'm not the biggest fan of the color, but yeah, that price under $100, dude. Under $100 after discount. The only spot with these so cheap. Freshwater colorway of the Air Forces. I remember during COVID, these sold out so quick. They made them so limited though. Tech Challengers, the OG, what is it, the lava colorway or something like that? $70 and then $85 for these. And you get that little extra discount. Jordan 3s right here. I like that tumbled leather, but it has like some shiny coat on it or something. $190. What are these? Jordan 1s? And they look weird as hell. They got pony hair or faux pony hair or something. Definitely not a fan of these. $155, got that extra tax on them. Is the women or grade school section? I don't know, but they got, oh yeah, this is the grade school, $80 for these, like a slight pink colorway. These go down to $45. Grade school foam posits. Look at this. Crazy crazy cheap, $120 for these. And they do got the Flint 9s right here. Okay, these are cool. These are cool. I'm not the biggest fan of 9s though, so I don't think I have any more. I think I got rid of the one that I did have. Let's see how many stores I can hit up before I gotta go. Kind of on a time crunch today. Let's look at the sales items here. And they do got the Forrest Gumps right here. I forgot to check to see if they had them upstairs, but what'd I pay? Like 50 bucks? I think I paid like $49, something like that. I got them for 80 here. That's why it is fun to shop around. Got some Lowe's, the Donovan Mitchells. That fool's been balling. But his shoes just don't sell. Cleveland made some crazy trades right before the deadline. Picked up some interesting fools. I didn't know they got rid of Ty Jerome too. That was crazy. That was last season though. Got some Chuck Lowe's right here. These platforms, they look a little high. But yeah, 75 down to 30. Audi Zero, Boston 13s. Nothing crazy. Great school version right here, but nothing too crazy. All kinds of Jordan releases right here, including multiple 3s. They're going for retail, the 5s, 8s. Oh, those are the same ones. And then do got 13s. They're all retail, so I'm not gonna concentrate too much on those. Do got the infrared 6 hydros right here, but this one doesn't have like a ton of red like the new infrareds coming out. That's interesting. They use like the older, smaller red portion right there. They do have the Gamma 11 hydros right here, and these go for 70 bucks. That's crazy. I remember getting those for so cheap way back when. Get for like 20, 30 bucks at the clearance store. Not no more. There's a women's section right here. Got all kinds of comfy running shoes. They got Shox TLs in colorways I've never seen for the women. $190 for these bad boys. Right here, a little pricey, but cutting edge Shock technology. Not really. It's from way back when. But yeah, they look dope. I am a huge fan of these. It's not paying $190 for those. Oh, they don't have the 4s. They do have the 4s. The white ones. Damn, I forgot to show you guys those. That's chic. Oh well. Dope. My bad. I just saw a couple kids wearing floaties on their arms. What the hell? At the mall? What the hell? Is that what kids are doing nowadays? I don't want to be the old guy like crapping all over what kids are doing, but it just looks stupid. It just looks so dope. Then we have the sales section right here. I also know having like 500 pair of sneakers is dumb too, so it is what it is. We all do our dumb things, whatever. It is what it is. Air Force Ones right here. One of the newer color, newer colorways, different material too, like nubuck and stuff. Slightly on sale. I was like, they got white ones? No, not really. Not really. AE2s, we have been seeing some of these on sale, which is kind of crazy because I feel like these haven't been out for that long. Reebok classic nylons, not getting no love, $40. I kind of like the look. They're clean. Wear these with some clean jeans, clean shirt. The Club C's right here. Not bad, not bad. Do gotta leave in a couple minutes because I have to go pick up some Jordan 4s that I got for crazy cheap. Y'all ain't even gonna believe it. I have to go there before they close. I also have to take my kids somewhere later this evening, so kind of in a rush. Got New Balances, 2002 Rs, and a few different colorways. The I thought these were 990s. 2002 Rs right there for 140, 115. Still too much. Starting to see the Evo SLs on sale for you runners, or those of you fools that like comfy shoes. These are pretty freaking comfy. Mafate Speed 2s, these are comfy as hell too. I think these are trail running shoes. Got the thicker outsole, but these look pretty comfy. I haven't tried them on though. I did make my purchase on Whatnot. They had Hoka's for hella cheap as well. It was like random sizes, but have to be patient if you want the deals. We got Jordan 3. These olive bad boys starting to see them on sale. $165 per tee. Solid price. They got the 9s, they got the 8s. And that's it for the Jordan Retros. All right, I think it's gonna be a super short trip to the mall. We're not done yet though, because we still have to look at what I traded. Those eagle eyes will know what the hell I traded because I screwed up. And then we also have to go pick up my Jordan 4s, the Jordan 4 Black Cats that I got for crazy cheap. Women's Air Forces, I did get one of these for my kiddos. Why? Because it's cheap as hell, dude. It's cheap as hell. Y'all saw me out in Lakewood when I grabbed these. Did get black Forces for 60 freaking dollars, 60 bucks. And I got the wrong size. I got a size 11 women's, which is a 9.5 men's. I'm so dumb. My kid wears a size 9, so obviously I went down half a size on these because most people go half a size down on Air Forces. So did grab these, $60, 60 bucks. So I did exchange these bad boys. I hope the volume's okay. $60 for these, kind of crazy. Yeah, we got a little scenery right here, so I'm hoping that's not too loud. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this. Bulldog Liquidator, their liquidation store. The only Bulldog around now. And they got so many random things. Boxes of ramen, clothing, all kinds of random stuff. And they do have a ton of sneakers. And a lot of these, like the box is damaged, or even like the sneakers actually might be damaged. Like grade school Kobe's, where are these? I don't see anymore. They might be out. They got these Air Max DNs right here, $100. They were letting them go on Whatnot for crazy cheap. Hoka Cliftons right here, they're going for 90. Speed Goats right here for 100. The Clifton, these are the Clifton 10s too, which are the latest version. I saw someone grab these for hella cheap yesterday. These are size 13, pretty freaking big. They got Crocs here for $25. Not the cheapest, but not bad. A lot of these, the boxes are going to be damaged. Some are not going to have any box at all, like the ones I'm grabbing. Got Brooks, they got Adidas, and their supply always changes. They got some Kayanos right here, which are actually some pretty major running shoes. Bigger sizes though, size 15s. Yeah, they're priced at 60 freaking dollars. So Big Feet gang got a little something for you. Got women's shoes right here, the Japans right here. These are going for 50. Sizes definitely are gonna vary. They got Samba OGs right here going for freaking 60. And they got random stuff here. They got vacuums. They got the robot vacuums, automatic ones, golf bags, tools. What is that? What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell that is. They got miter saws right here, Chicago Electric. I think that's a, what store is that from? That's from Harbor Freight, I believe. $35 Craftsman. That's 4 horsepower too. 4 horsepower. That's actually really good. Stainless steel outside. That is a dope shop vac right there. Bought multiple printers from here. They also have like exercise equipment. Also have furniture as well. Aisles. They got random stuff like headphones. Prime Energy drink. These boxes. 4 packs going for $3. The cup of noodles are. The noodles, a 48 pack going for 10. I don't know if that's that cheap though. I don't know. I don't really mess with noodles like that. I'm looking to see if they have those printers, not the cartridge printers, but the tank printers. I don't think they have anymore. Yeah, I bought multiple of those for different people. One for myself. I think I bought one for my dad, and then I bought one for my ex's parents as well. So did pick these bad boys up right here. You know, let's take a look at it. I'm curious. These are size 11, and it's not used, but it is out of box, and there might be some damage. That's what they said. Size 11. Yeah, see there's a little scuff right here. I'll brush that up, see how that looks when I get home. But I think I paid $89, 89 bucks. And I did, like I said, got it through Whatnot. Size 11. I was like, that's close enough. That is close enough. It's slightly damaged. I'm gonna brush it up, see how it looks. But I have a clean one at home, so now I have a second one. I actually might have 2. I don't remember. Got some open boxes at home. I'm gonna have to look at them, but I'm gonna brush these up, see how they look. But $89, 89 effing dollars for these. That's crazy. Came up, man. Came up, fools.